Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today, in this very short tutorial, I will show you how you can add more light to the image in Adobe Photoshop and also how you can add color to the light. So guys, let's rock and roll. I have opened the image I would like to work with, and if you will look at my layers panel, you will see that I have only one layer, background layer, and this layer is locked. I don't need to unlock it, but if you want to unlock any layer in Adobe Photoshop, simply click on this lock icon and Photoshop will unlock the layer for you. Now, what I will do, I will switch to the lasso tool, and in the options bar right away I will specify add to selection, and I will show you why. Now, using this lasso tool, I will start selecting a part of the image I would like to add more light to. This image already has some identification of a light, so I will follow this light just like that, and voila, I release my mouth and Photoshop selected the part I specified. Now I would like to select this part of the image, because if you will look at the image, you will see that original image has a light in this area as well. Because I specified add to selection right away, I don't have to hold any key in my keyboard. I will start selecting second part of the image, and just like that, Photoshop selected this part as well. After I have all area I would like to add the light to selected, I will open my adjustment panel. You can access to adjustment panel simply clicking on a window menu, and from here click on adjustments. And from here in adjustments panel, I will click on exposure just like that. Right away, once I clicked on exposure, once I specify what adjustment I would like to work with, Photoshop opens properties panel where I can adjust my adjustments. So what I will do, I will move exposure slider pretty much all the way to the right, just like that. Let me show you, just like that. Look at this. Next step will be, if you will look at the image, you will see that I have harsh transition between area with light and areas with a shadow. We will fix this just in a second. To do so, in the properties panel, I will click on mask, this icon, just like that. And from here, I will move feather slider to the right, just like that. Look at this. Now we have a very smooth transition between light and shadow. So look at this. So let me show you before and after. Now what I would like to do, I would like to add a light to my I would like to add a color to my light. To do so, I will select my background layer. I will click on select menu, and from here, guys, I will click on reselect, just like that. Look at this. And hello adjustment panel as well. Now I will click on photo filter. In a photo filter properties panel, I will specify that I would like to work with a color, so I will select a color. I will move density slider all the way to the right. Now we have kind of golden light. If you want to change to any other light, simply click on a color icon just like that, and from here, from color picker panel or window, you can name it as you like. You can pick any color you like, just like that. Let's use a purple color. Purple color is my favorite color, just like that. And after that, I will click OK. And now, guys, now we have same problem. we have very harsh transition between our purple color and the rest of the image. We can fix it by clicking on, yes guys, you are right, on the mask icon, and we will move further a slider to the right, just like that. Look at this. Now we have very nice and smooth transition between all colors in our image. Because we worked with adjustments layer, all layers are we can access to any layer, to any adjustment we work with, and we can adjust this adjustment layer at any time. So simply clicking, example, on exposure adjustment, not on an exposure layer mask, on adjustment mask, and you can increase exposure just like that. Also, because all adjustments, we have all adjustments on the separate layers, we can adjust those layers in a way as we will adjust any other layer. So what I will do, I will select our photo filter adjustment layer, and I will bring opacity of this layer slightly down, just like that. Now I will select two adjustment layers, and at the bottom of my layers panel, I have, and you have as well, we have a new group. I will click on it, and I have created a new group with all adjustments. Double click on group names and rename it to adjustments, just like that. This is before and this is after. So guys, thank you so much for your time. I hope you like what you see. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you later. Bye guys.